Hello guys, thank you very much for watching my all videos and I welcome all of you to my MacForex YouTube channel. So first of all, I really thankful to all of you who watches my videos, and I always try my best to bring for all of you the best knowledgeable material. Basically, in forex trading, the thing is, if you have any strategy and you don't know the utilization of the system, then the strategy is useless basically. Okay, but if you have a strategy and have a confident and you are a confident and you have a good knowledge about the utilization system, then you can make profit in forex trading. Okay, so first of all, two or three things are basics, and if you are a beginner, so just need to follow the two or three things before enter in forex market. Okay, so today we will discuss about the this system which will automatically give you the buying signal, sell signal, and which will give you the automatically give you the trend line system. For example, this indicator, this best indicator, give you the automatically trend information, actually what is the strong trend and what is the exact point of buying and selling. First of all, before start the topic, I request to you like and subscribe my MacForex YouTube channel. And if you are my already subscriber, I really thankful to you. And I always try my best to bring for you the very best videos. There are many kind of videos on different kind of strategies, different kind of indicators available on this channel platform, and there are some indicators are also free and some indicators I charge, because I will tell you this indicator basically you can see on the screen, but the back end of this indicator, this all strategy is working. You can see this is almost I think 50 numbers of indicators. Basically, this is not only one indicator. This is the just giving you the signal, giving you, just you can see on the screen, but the back end, this indicator back end, all these indicators are working. So okay, so I will show you the this system, and I will prove how you can make good money with following this indicator. Okay, so first of all, let's start the topic. Okay, I am attaching Euro USD pair at this chart. Time frame is H4. So you can see here, this indicator give you the sell strong only. Okay, so why this indicator give you the sell strong only? Because the trend is going down. You can see from this from 1st June to till date, trend is going down. Okay, so the system give you the sell strong only, but this is the not exact point of selling. You understand? Again listen, this is very knowledgeable material. For example, from this area to this area, you can see this was the bullish trend, and from this area to this area, all is bearish trend. Okay, when, listen carefully, when the trend is bullish, you always try to find the buying entry only. Again listen, when you want enter any kind of pair, like I attach this USD JPY here. So USD JPY strong signal, this indicator give you, but this is not identifying the clearly trend. You can see market is going in range, little bit bullish, then bearish, then like confusing. So you no need to trade like in range market. You need to follow the trend first. You need to find the trend, and this indicator automatically find for you the trend system. Okay, so I attach another, because this is not suitable for me. Okay, this is also not clear. I attach one other, pound USD. Okay, in pound USD you can also see going down. Okay, this was going up, this was going down. This one sell strong only, already this indicator giving you the signal. But the best entry point is when trend is in bearish, you need to follow the top area of the selling. For example, market is there, market going down, but this indicator giving you the sell strong signal, but you no need to sell this area, you need to follow this strategy. Okay, when more upside, it's mean the like a entry is 90% sure market will go. You can see here, this is the exact sell point. Market go down, this is a take profit point, you exit, and now again you need to wait. This is, you can see here H4, this is one candle is H4. So how many time you need to wait? Like I will tell you, from 30th November to 20 October. Okay, so I hope you are understanding. I am just talking this, basically I am talking for the long term trading system. I am talking, if you want to do like a long term trading, like a 1 month, 2 months, then you need to follow this strategy. Okay, but if you are a scalper, then you can also utilize this system with select from the short time frame, but I will discuss later. But first I'm trying to give you the proper information, and I'm trying to give you the knowledge how you can find the exact entry point. Okay, I will attach one more indicator, one more pair with this. You can see here market is going down. Okay, from here market is down, so this is the exact selling area. You can sell here, you can take profit, take profit at this point. Okay, this one strong, you can see here very clear, pound Australian dollar, very clear. This is the exact clear trend information this indicator automatically define for you. You can see here I drawn basically this lane I drawn for you for your better understanding. You can see this was the buying trend and this is the selling trend. So I ask you, what is the exact entry point of selling? This is the exact selling point where market is now standing. Like this was the exact selling point. Okay, this is the selling. Exit here, again sell here, exit here, again sell here, exit here, again sell here. If these all lanes touch, again sell here. Okay, you can sell here, you can take profit here, you can stop loss here. But if your stop loss will hit, it's mean market is now changing the trend, then you need to wait more for finding the best entry level. I hope you understand. So this is the very best forex indicator. I have tried, I have back tested this indicator and I have earned good money. So very easily you can trade for following these very easy strategy. Okay, so similarly, if you are a scalper, if you want to do like a trade day, if you are a day trader, you need to select the M30 or H1. Okay, like a H1. So in H1 you can see this is the selling area. Already this indicator giving the sell strong only because of the trend is going in bearish. Okay, so this is a sell area, take profit. This is also take profit, then you need to wait. Sell area, take profit, then you need to wait. This is also sell area, but this is not static. This indicator give you the static, then you need to wait. This was the buying area, but you need to follow the trend, you need to wait. This was the again static. You can see market go down. So with following this strategy, this indicator, you can make good profit in forex market. So I hope you understand, you have learned something. Again, I request you like and subscribe this channel, because I want community build at this channel, and then we will always try to come like a live session for question and answering, and we will do a daily basis session for live trading. Thank you so much. Goodbye.